How do you build artwork that actually looks like this when your current lines look like a total disaster? It all starts right here with these basic exercises. Stick around till the end and we'll draw this skull forest together, mostly to prove your hands are actually capable of doing it. Let's start with exercise 1, lines. Begin by placing a few points on the page. Then try to connect them with straight lines. At first, the lines will be wobbly. They probably won't be straight. That's normal. Keep going. You'll see improvement faster than you expect. Tip: don't draw from the wrist. Get used to moving your entire arm. It feels strange at first, but it builds control, confidence, and muscle memory. And yes, everyone's lines look bad in the beginning. Exercise 2 is about shapes: squares, triangles, circles. Start simple. For squares and triangles, focus on confident straight lines. Use the same control you practiced in exercise 1. For circles, don't slow down and panic. Use ghosting. Hover your hand above the page. Trace the motion a few times without touching the paper. Then commit. The goal isn't a perfect circle. The goal is a confident one. Miss it? That's fine. Draw another. This exercise trains your brain to see shapes as units, not as complicated drawings. Every complex drawing starts here, with simple shapes done confidently. Cubes were honest. Blobs lie. They squirm, they twist, they don't want to be contained. Start small. Draw a blob. No rules, no right angles, just a shape that feels like it has a heartbeat. If you want, you can push it, stretch it, squeeze it. Let one side swell while the other caves in. Edges wiggle, curves protest. There's no symmetry here, only personality. Or just start simple. 2 blobs, one on top of the other. Not spheres, not perfect ovals, just sausages. They lean, they wobble, they have ideas about balance. Draw lines defining their shape. That's the secret. And that's it. Do these exercises for just 1 month and I guarantee your line confidence will improve beyond recognition. If it doesn't, you are entitled to a full 100% refund. Oh wait, this video was completely free. So the absolute least you can do is drop a like, leave a comment, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. As promised, let's put those painful exercises to work and build our spooky forest scene. We'll start simple with a triangular frame. Step 1. Draw a sharp vertical center line right down the middle. Remember that point-to-point ghosting technique so it doesn't end up looking like a wiggly noodle. Step 2. Now take that simple triangular boundary we drawn earlier and start carving it out into a pine tree. Use quick, layered zigzag strokes to build the boughs, working top to bottom, so it stops looking like a geometry lesson and starts looking like actual foliage. Step 3 is where we put those shading exercises to work. Pick a light source, let's say top right, and lay down consistent diagonal hatching under each layer of branches. This creates instant depth, casts real shadows, and conveniently hides a few of your line mistakes. Want to draw a broadleaf tree instead? Same principle. Start with overlapping spheres or cloud-like masses to block in the canopy. Drop in your main trunk and apply that same directional shading to give the foliage instant 3D volume. Time to bring the complete illustration together. We're combining every single technique from today's lesson: line confidence, construction shapes, and structured shading. Sit back, watch the process, and see how simple foundation work turns a blank page into a full scene. And that's a wrap on our skull forest. If you actually made it all the way to the end of this video, congratulations! You have successfully proven you possess the attention span of a functional adult. If these exercises helped your drawing look even 10% less tragic, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson, and drop a comment down below letting me know what disaster of a topic we should tackle next. Now go put your pen to paper, actually practice, and I'll see you in the next one.